Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to recover your data using Recover It by Wondershare. So in this case I do have a G drive here. It's actually a corrupted data. As you can see, if I click this, it doesn't allow me to go in. So let me open this application. So it will automatically detect which hard drive you have here installed to your machine. So as you can see, there's a pop-up error message, so basically cannot open the hard drive itself. But when I go to control panel, go to administrative tools and computer management, then let's see if the hard drive here is detected. Let me just drag this to my second screen, then go back here. Alright, so basically you need to scan this external device, which is drive G. Start scan. Right, so scanning will take some time. Let me get back to you after that. Let me get back here in my computer management. Then disk management. The hard drive is showing here. It's actually a raw file. So this is what we need to recover this portion. Alright, so yeah. Let me get back to you after this full scan is done. Hello guys, so right now it's actually a 51% still, but the number of data managed to found on this application is 78,760, which is not bad. So let's see the result once this one is 100%. Let me get back to you and show it to you, the result of this recovery attempt. Alright. Hello guys, so the process is done. It's 100% scan for those on hard drive. So this is the result of the scanning for the hard drive. So as you can see here, there's a lot of subfolder here. So I think I managed to recover almost 90 to 95% of this hard drive. So what you can do now, just click recover, and it will ask which particular drive you want to save this data. So in this case, I actually put under Suvir's name here. So basically, after you put the path, you can click recover. In my case, I've done that already. So the recovery duration time, it depends how big is the data. So basically mine, it took roughly 9 hours. So the speed, it depends to your processor as well, your computer specification. So since I do have a good gaming console computer, so I managed to finish all 375 if not mistaken. Let me see the size of the data. So the entire process I've done already for approximately 9 hours exact. So I managed to back up 372 gigabyte for 9 hours. So the result is this. So it will go recover it, then the date itself, then what is the timing I started. So from here he created 2 folders. So basically this is the dir, and let's focus on this one. So this one is actually the result of this. So there is a lot of subfolder here, and you can tell by the folder name here. So I've checked with the user on this hard drive, and he actually confirmed that the most of the data is actually recovered, so which is good. So I be able to compare with the percentage on the success rate on this recovery, and it gives me at least 85 to 90% to recover the data, which is not bad. Alright, so as you can see here, there's a lot of files, and let's see by collection. We can see the videos as well from here. Yep, we can play just to test if the file is working or not. Alright, it looks good. Most of the photos and videos as well is actually recovered, which is not bad. And I saw a few of the application as well is actually here. Maybe we can go test 2 photos since 2011 or 10. So as you can see here, there's no corrupted data, so most of the file is actually here. Alright, so again, I'm happy with the result. Hope this guide help you to recover your data or spoil hard drive as well. So if I do like extra large, definitely you can see a few stuff here like a photo and all that. There you go. Right. Alright, hope this helped you guys. Alright, and lastly, let me check the software side if there is yep, it looks all good here. Right, so yeah, again, I'm happy with the result on this recover it from WebDrive, and hope this helped. Thank you guys for watching.